Macy's American Express Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? You won't believe how fast you can earn rewards if you shop regularly at Macy's. Most people get this card wrong because they assume it's just a store card. The surprising truth is that it offers meaningful discounts, bonus points, and exclusive early access to sales. You earn points on every purchase at Macy's and its affiliated brands, which can be redeemed for reward certificates. Cardholders also receive birthday gifts and special promotions throughout the year. The card has no annual fee, making it accessible for regular shoppers, but it carries a high APRA, so it's best to pay balances in full each month to maximize benefits. Verdict: worth it for loyal Macy's shoppers who can pay off their balance monthly. Leave it if you shop infrequently or carry balances.